Hello guys, I'm Archit from Strawberry, and today we are going to show you a nice demo about how to connect your LDR to MATLAB and capture the data, right? So we would be using a regular LDR here, as you can see. So this is a common LDR which you can get from a shop, right? And we are also going to use an Arduino just to connect and take the analog input from this LDR to your MATLAB, and you can use any microcontroller for this thing, so it's not a problem. But it should have an A to D pin, because you need to, the data which you are getting is an analog data, and you need to convert it into digital data and then fetch it. Okay, so as you can see, this is my MATLAB program, right? And what I'm doing is I've just defined the port, from which port I have to grab it, and if you can see, this is at pin number 5, and this I have connected. So this pin is pin number 5, right? And as you can see, this is connected, and this is connected to LDR, and this is the other end of the LDR which goes actually into the ground. So this is ground here, right? Okay. So first of all, my MATLAB tries to connect to my Arduino. After that, it tries to grab the signal. Once it grabs the signal, it displays the output. So this is all we are going to do here, right? I'll just run the script. So here is how this script is actually running, and one minute. Okay. And if you see, it is saying attempting connection, and then it connects everything, right? And now this is with light, and as you can see here, my hand. So this is I'm hiding the LDR from light, right? And you can see there are more output disparities here, right? Now let's do it for a complete light thing. Okay, so I won't be putting my hand on top of it, and then we'll see the outputs, right? So now let's rerun our script. So I rerun my script, and I check. I'll just close this one. This was the old one, and you see. And if you see, so the value is, there is just one spike there, and everything is 0. So 0 basically means it's a light condition. So it's not a regular LDR, it's a reverse LDR. So that means that it gives an output 0 when there is light, and it gives an output 1 when there is no light, right? So I think it ends our demo here. Thanks.